When Sterling issues a flash flood watch 24 hours before the event even starts, you know this is going to be a good one. Sit back. This might be my favorite severe weather event I've posted to date.
Flash flood watch in effect from Thursday afternoon through Friday morning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, including the following areas: in D.C., District of Columbia; in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Calvert, Carroll, Cecil, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Frederick, Maryland, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, Southern Baltimore, and St. Mary's. In Virginia, Albemarle, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Culpeper, Eastern Lothian, Fairfax, Greene, King George, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Orange, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Rappahannock, Southern Fauquier, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Western Lothian. From Thursday afternoon through Friday morning, several rounds of thunderstorms are expected Thursday afternoon through early Friday morning, with localized rainfall rates of up to 1 to 2 inches per hour possible. Total rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches, with locally higher amounts up to 4 inches are possible. Heavy rain in short periods of time will cause the potential for streams and creeks to quickly rise out of their banks, as well as radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Crofton, Mayo, Naval Academy, Magothy River, Dobbins Island, Severn River, South River, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Sillery Bay, Severna Park, Otontown, Arnold, Lakeshore, Parole, Millersville, and Londontown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King George County and Central Virginia until 3 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort E.D.
Charity.
8 miles southwest of King George, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include King George, Dahlgren, Potomac Beach, Rollins Fort, Wheatonville, Nym, Lambs Creek, Jersey, Shiloh, and Doak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Crom Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Crom Island, Maryland until 4:30 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of Fairview Beach to 11 nautical miles southwest of Colonial Beach to 16 nautical miles southwest of Yokomico River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Yokoliko River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, mouth of the Potomac River, Maryland Point, Nanchanoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, Namili Bay, McHubbs Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, and Pope Creek. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
And this is going to be about her.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Yokoliko River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay,
Unsecured light objects may become suspended. Rhode Island, American Legion Bridge, McLean, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Ashburn, Sterling, North Potomac, Tyson's Corner, Redmond, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, and Countryside. Ashburn, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Great Falls, and Countryside. Cause some trees and large branches to fall.
storms which prompted the warning
Could
of
injure those
blowdown
aboard,
areas.
as well as damage homes
Crew.
and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Three.
Locations impacted include Bronzeville, area, Gaithersburg, Herndon, Rhode Island, American Legion Bridge, McLean, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Ashburn, Sterling, North Potomac, Tyson's Corner, Redmond, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, and Countryside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, showers and numerous thunderstorms until midnight. Northwestern Westmoreland County in East Central Virginia, Northwestern Essex County in East Central Virginia, until 3 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leedstown, or 7 miles southwest of Colonial Beach, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Colonial Beach around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorms include Lerdy, Oak Grove, Potomac Beach, Potomac Hills, and Westmoreland State. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
Northwestern
building.
Westmoreland County, Northwestern Essex County, until 3 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Leedstown, or 7 miles southwest of Colonial Beach, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for titled Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland.
Damage to
Titled
trees
Potomac
and power
from
lines.
Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland.
Severe
At
thunderstorm will be
3:45
near
p.m.
Colonial Beach around 2:45 p.m.
Strong
Other locations
thunderstorms were
impacted by the
located
severe
along
thunderstorm
the
include
26
Lerdy, Oak
nautical
Grove,
miles
Potomac
northwest
Beach,
of Leeds,
Potomac Mills, and Westmoreland State.
nautical miles northwest
For your
of
protection, move to an
27
interior room on the lowest floor of a
nautical
building.
miles
Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Here's us if they fix their encoder fine.